Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see practical number 23 of your GTU syllabus for the subject Network Management and Administration. The first part of the practical number 23 I had already covered in the previous video. Okay, that was configuring desktop configuration using group policy. And the second part is remote installation services. Okay, so we are going to see that part in this video. Now the practical is how to install and configure remote desktop services on virtual server machine on Windows Server 2012 R2, which is installed in our virtual machine. So let us see the steps for that. Go to Server Manager. In Server Manager, go to Manage, Add Roles and Features. Next. Now here, important point is that till now we were using this role-based or feature-based installation. But in this practical, we want to enable the remote desktop services. Okay, so we go for the second part, that is remote desktop service installation. Now it is written here what is going to do. Just read that, click on next. Now again there are two things, standard deployment and quick start. We will go with the quick start. The first part is used when you have multiple servers, but as you know we are having right now only one server. Okay, that is, now click on next. Now again there are two part here. Okay, there are two radio buttons are there. So one is virtual machine based desktop deployment and another is session based deployment, desktop deployment. We are going for the second part. Okay, what we are going to do actually, we are going to use the services that are installed on our server 2012 R2 and access that application and services from our client machine on which we have not installed that service. Okay, for example, in big organizations and in some of the companies, what they do, they don't allow client machine to play any media. Okay, so they don't allow you to install VLC or any other media player. But suppose sometime you need that. Okay, sometime you need to run the VLC player. At that time, what we will do, we will connect to server, and on that server machine we have installed the VLC. So we will use the VLC that is installed in our server machine and use in our client machine. That is possible using this practical. Okay, you can do that using this practical. I will show you how to do that. So second is, we are going to select here second radio button, click on next. Now here, as you can see here, we are having only one server. It's the server pool, but we are having only one server, so it is showing only one server. And the name of the server, as you know, that it is server 2012 DC, and in.srcomputereducation.com is our domain name. You can see here also the name of the server. Click on next. Okay, see students, these three services will be installed: RD connection broker, RD web access, and RD session host. Okay, it will take some time for the installation. Click here, restart the destination server automatically if required. Okay, you have to put a check mark here. Now click here, deploy. Now it will take some time, so it may be possible that I fast forward this video. It will automatically restart also. If it is needed, it will restart once. Okay, as you can see that our server machine is restarted. Again, when it will come back, it will start the installation process, the pending. Right now, till now, we have not completed the complete process of installing that 3 roles that I had shown you. We need to give username and password. We'll give the administrator username and password. And when we give the username and password, it will start the installation where it had halted and restarted. As you can see, it is showing that working on features. It has to be completed 100%. Okay, just give the username and password. It's capital A or small a. Let's check. Okay, it's small a only. As you can see that I have not done anything, but it has restarted the installation process again. Okay, after restart, it is now doing the pending installation process. Again, it will take a little bit time for the completion of installation. So as we saw before, there was a problem in some installation. Students, if you get installation problem in any role or feature, just do one thing. First of all, uninstall that role and feature and try to again install it. In this, what I have done, see here, right now all the roles has been installed. You should get message like this. Okay, all the 3 roles should be succeeded. You should get message like this. See, if you get any problem, what you have to do, just go to here. Just a minute. Just go to remote desktop services, and here you will find add role and feature again. Okay, so just click on that task and click on add roles and feature again, and it will start installing again. See here, it is showing that all the 3 roles has been installed. From here, go to quick collections. See, if there is any problem, you can go here task, and you will get here add roles and feature. Okay, in this overview part, you will get in this overview, or you can get here server. Okay, server, go to this is I am saying this, if you are having any problem in installation, go to the server tab, then go to add roles and feature, and again do installation from here as I have done before. Okay, right now I have succeedingly installed it, so I am not doing it. Go to quick session collection. Now see here, students, these are the 3 softwares, or 3 applications that is installed at the time when we install this remote desktop service. Okay, one is calculator, one is paint, one is WordPad. Suppose if you want to install VLC also, suppose you want to make that VLC available. What is happening actually, these 3 applications can be used by client, and they can access these 3 applications on server machine. As I told you before, suppose you need to play any media, suppose you need VLC media player. Okay, and in the client machine you don't have VLC media player. So we will install the VLC media player, make it available here. To make that available here, first of all, you need to install that VLC media player in our server 2012. Okay, so just download VLC media player in server 2012, install it, and after that go to task and publish remote programs. Okay, in remote app program you will get all the applications that are installed, all the software that are installed in your machine. Right now I will not get VLC because I have not installed VLC. Okay, so these are all the applications that are pre-installed. Right now for the demonstration purpose, I will use one of these application. Okay, so we will log into our client machine and we will use Paint from our server machine. Okay, so let me start my client machine also. See, right now it is turned off. Let me start that. Now we are going to access that Paint application which is installed on server 2012 from our client machine. This is the application. This is a practical application of remote desktop service roles and features. Okay, that we have installed it right now. This is actually the role. let our machine start. Okay, it is already the Shaiju user has been logged in, so I am just giving the password. Password is incorrect. Let me try again. College2@123. Okay, now it should work. Okay, our client machine has started. Okay, and you know our client and server both are connected. They should be connected, otherwise you will not be able to do this tactical. Now what I have to do, go to the server machine. Now we are on client machine. What you have to do, you have to open your browser. Let's go to Microsoft Edge. This is the default browser, and you have to give the web page where all our server applications are located. Okay, so the link for that, the web address is https:// you can give the IP address of your server. As you know, the IP address is 192.168.8.1. okay, /rd web. This is the address. Okay, here it will show that the connection is not secure. That is fine. Okay, this is because of certificate problem. Go to advanced, continue. Now see here, we are on remote app and desktop connection. This is a web page where our all these applications, all the applications that we have right now here, WordPad, Paint and Calculator, we are going to access from our client machine. Okay, so the format is like this. Give the domain name, and you know the domain name is in dot, you can give only in, capital in / name of the user. So the name of the user is Shaiju, and the password. Okay, you have to give the name of the user using which you want to access this application. Let me check. Okay, fine. Sign in. See student, all the three applications are listed here. If you are having VLC also, then the VLC will also be listed here. Okay, so for the time being, I am opening Paint from my client machine. See, actually we are not accessing these three applications from our client machine. We are accessing from server. Okay, from here, these three. Fine, so double click on that. Again, it will ask for some authentication. Allow. You have to just click once only to open that. Open file. See, when you click open, again it will ask for connection. Okay, so click on connect and it will ask the username and password again. So give that. Username is already there. It will ask for password. See, here I had made mistake here, 1. Okay, okay. Now we are using the Paint application which is installed and located on our server machine from the client machine. See, it is securely connecting with our remote machine, okay, which is our server 2012. Okay, student, we are getting some authentication error, that is CRED SSP. Let us try to solve this. So to solve that error, let's go to group policy. Okay, edit group policy. Okay, here I am getting you do not have permission to perform this operation. So whenever you get this kind of error, what you have to do, just start the command prompt in administrative mode and give the password of your server administrator. Okay, now write here gp edit. Okay, go to computer configuration, then administrative templates, then system and then credential delegations. This we were getting error because of this. This because both I think server is not updated. When you have both updated system, you will not get this error. Our Windows 10 is new; it is updated, so we are getting this error. Go to encryption Oracle redemption and go to enable, and from here mitigated, go to selected vulnerable. Okay, apply. Okay, now close this and let us check once again. Go to Microsoft Edge, open the web page, http double colon. See here, instead of this server name, you can write server name also. Okay, I have written server IP, and you have to write /rdweb. Then we will give the credential of Shaiju user. This we have done before. Sign in. Now let us check whether our problem is solved or not. Double click on paint. Okay, go to here and try to open, connect. Give the password again. Check whether it is okay. I have made one mistake here. It is 1 college2 @123. Okay, we should have restarted the machine. Let's see the problem is solved or not. Otherwise, we will restart the machine. Hopefully it should work now. Okay, as you can see finally we have connected to the Paint application that is installed on server 2012. Okay, that is installed on our server machine. We are connected to this Paint application from our client machine. So I hope student this practical is clear to you. Share with everyone so all the students can get benefit. In this practical, what we have did, we have install and configure remote desktop services role on server 2012 R2. Okay, and we had accessed the Paint application that is installed or stored on server 2012 from our client machine. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. We will see in next video. Thank you.